Hello and welcome to the world of Photoshop. This powerful software offers a vast array of tools and techniques for creating stunning visual designs, from basic photo editing to advanced compositing and illustration. Understanding the Photoshop workspace. The toolbar on the left that houses the essential tools for selecting, painting, and manipulating images. In the panel that is on the right, this offers customizable options for managing layers, adjustment, and others. The canvas, it is the central canvas in your workspace, and this is for editing images, creating graphics, and designing visual compelling content. In this area, you will learn the navigating of the toolbox and panels. There are four different areas. One is the selection tools. This area allows you to isolate specific areas of your image for editing and manipulation. Common tools include the marquee tool, the lasso tool, and the quick selection tool. Number two would be the painting tools. And this area controls the brushes, your pencils, and your erasers, which enables you to draw, color, and retouch your images. Customize your brush settings for different effects. Next, we have the adjustment tool. The adjustment tools like levels, curves, and color balance allow you to fine-tune the brightness, the contrast, and color of your images. The last one is your panel navigation. Panels can be accessed through the window menu. Just by clicking on the panel icons, they offer a wide range of options for managing layers, adjustments, and other settings. Next, you'll learn about the essential tools for precise editing. One of those are the marquee tool. The marquee tool allows you to select rectangular, elliptical, or single row column areas of your image. It's ideal for making precise selection for well-defined shapes. Next, we have the lasso tool. Now, this tool provides freehand selection capabilities. It allows you to draw a free-form path around a desired area, enable precise selection of complex shapes. And lastly, there is the quick selection tool. This tool leverages AI to quickly select area of your images. It's great for selecting objects or areas with similar colors or texture, making it time-saving option. Another very important aspect of Photoshop is mastering layers for non-destructive design. There are four parts to it. Layer creation. Layers are independent workspaces within your document. They allow you to edit and manipulate different elements of your design without affecting other elements. Then we have layer organization, where you can organize your layer by grouping them and naming them appropriately. This makes it easier to manage your document and makes it easier to make changes also. Then we have layer effects. Apply layer effects such as drop shadows, bevel, and glows to enhance the appearance of your design elements. These effects can be customized to create unique visual styles. And lastly, we have the layer blending modes. You can experiment with blending modes to combine layers in creative ways. For example, you can use multiply to darken a layer or screen to lighten a layer. The next step is utilizing adjustment layers and blend modes. We have 4 different areas in that also. We have brightness and contrast. Adjust the overall brightness and contrast of your image to create a more pleasing and dramatic effect. Next one, we have a color balance, where you can fine-tune the color balance of your image by adjusting the proportion of red, green, and blue channels. Then we have saturation. You can control the intensity of colors in your image by increasing or decreasing the saturation's level. It's helpful for enhancing colors or creating a faded effect. Lastly, we have hue and saturation. Adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness of your image to alter its color palette and create a different modes or effect. The next step we're looking at is applying filters and effects for visual enhancement. Sharpening filters can enhance the detail and clarity of your image by increasing the contrast between edges and lines. It's helpful for restoring sharpness to blurry photos or creating a more crisp look. Next, we have blurring. Blurring filters can soften edges, which create a dreamy effect or hide imperfection. They are also useful for creating bokeh background blur or for smoothing out rough textures. Artistic filters. Photoshop offers a variety of artistic filters that can transform your images into different styles, such as paintings, drawings, and sketches. These filters add a creative and unique touch to your design. Then we have special effects. Special effect filters can add various effects to your images, such as distortion, lightning effects, and texture. They can be used to create unique visual styles and enhance the overall impact of your design. As we continue to learn about the different aspects of Photoshop, we are going to look at the last 4 in this quick tutorial or explanation tutorial, so you can learn a little bit of the explanation side or the theory side to Photoshop. Even though it's a project-based platform, there are certain aspects that you have to understand before you can successfully use Photoshop. So we're now looking at exporting and optimizing designs for various media. And there are 4 of them that we're going to look at presently. First, we have JPEG. And this is a commonly used format for web images, offering good compression and quality. Then we have PNG, a lossless format that supports transparency and is suitable for web and print design. Then we have GIF, GIF, a format that supports animation and transparency, often used for small web graphics and logo. Then we have TIFF, TIFF. This is a high-quality format for print designs and image archiving, offering lossless compression. Photoshop is unique. There is nothing quite like it out there. Learning Photoshop, you have to first understand the interface within the workspace and how to maneuver the tools and the panels. Stay tuned for more explanations on Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.